Hello from Slovenia again. Lately I did quite a lot of different techniques, and today I want to do a flower dip again. Sorry. I will talk about colors. And I mixed my pearl white a little thicker today. I want to see how this will work. This is Phthalo Prussian blue from Amsterdam. Maybe it is a little too thick. Pearl white. And sapphire blue. And I will add two colors and then pearl white again. And pearl white again. Probably it will be too thick. We will see. And Bordeaux red. And Caput Mortuum violet. And pearl white again. And permanent orange. I will put colors and brands in the description box, so. And gold yellow. I probably added too much of this orange. We will see. Pearl white again. And blue again. Pearl white again, and Bordeaux red, and Caput Mortuum violet. Has such a strange name. And white again. And this permanent orange. And gold yellow. And this will be it, and then I will use another cup and switch this around. And while this painting's flowing off, I can draw some lines. this one aside. Hopefully I will put my cup down okay. I will start with a little pearl white again and all the same Russian phthalo blue and sapphire blue I hope that I will get any lacing because I thickened up my pearl white mixture quite a bit. Bordeaux red again and Caput Mortuum. Pearl white again. And orange. Have so many shades. This orange is like a deep yellow or something. Kind of. It is orangey, but not like a vermilion orange, vermilion red. I don't know. Cadmium red. I I mean to say cadmium orange, reflex orange. I don't know, you have a lot of oranges too, like other colors. Just thinking, I will just grab this time. I will do it a little differently maybe. I will not go all the way from the sides. Okay, and I will spray my napkin, and I'm looking for my spray bottle again. I don't know how I managed to lose it every time. I just spray it with water to soften it up a little bit. And let's try to put it down nicely. And slowly to the other half. I love my experiments that I did in last few videos, but today I was just feeling to do some flower again. We'll just make sure that my paint touches the napkin everywhere. And hoping for some nice result without a lot of green or something. Because I can get some green shades out of these paints, probably. But just hoping that not too much. For now it is looking okay. I love this sapphire blue. Yay! I have a little problem here, but I will just try to fix it like this. And as you can see, I didn't get a lot of lacing. We will see what will happen when I will torch it, but I was going for this kind of look because I really didn't want to have a lot of lacing. So, because I want to show you, if you thicken up your paints, I didn't thicken up all of them, just my pearl white, that you will get a little different effects. I will just add some black here around, as I normally do, that it will be more I have to say that I like it, and I like this, love these colors together. As usual, it's hard to show real colors on camera. I didn't mean to do that. Just had some blue here underneath. So paint will level out, so it's not, and here too. Obviously a lot of blue paint underneath here, so I will have to do it really carefully. Okay, I will just leave it like it is. You will see when I will take you down for a close-up that I get not as much as lacing effect, more like raindrops or something. So I really like it, and I have a glare again. Probably this, it will be better this way. You see what I'm talking about? It's not as much lacing. I get some lacing, but different one. And I have to say that I like this painting very, very much, because it looks like it has raindrops on the petals, or even, I don't know when. See this middle? So cute. And colors look beautiful together. I did get some green shades, but I don't mind because it's beautiful. So tell me what you think about this. I will just try it. Is this too dark? No, it isn't, because I really like it that way, I think. Tell me what you think about this color combination and these effects with thicker pearl white, because I'm really, really hoping that it will not take over as much as sometimes do. So I like it. Please tell me in comments. I have some problems here with the shape, but nothing is perfect. So another flower, or maybe it is nicer that way, I don't know even. Tell me what you think about it. Do you like this color combo and thicker mix of my pearl white? I have to say that I do. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.